we don't have to give up, and we have faith on Atomy. If we have confidence on ourselves, so we also become uh, um, like a boss or like a business girl. If you learn every day and join every day's meeting evening and morning, and you learn a little, you can also become a boss or a person, a better person, because if you have hope on yourself and Atomy, you will definitely gonna succeed, like all sponsors, because in the starting they also don't know about Atomy, but all their coaches, their sponsors, they joined with them, they learned everything, just like us. The same they are learning now also, because our class before started, they joined their classes, they attended their classes, then we will start our classes like this. They are also regularly doing classes like us. They are also taking time for Atomy. So you also have to make a schedule, like doing all these things, like joining classes, attending meetings every day, attending success seminar, attending one day seminar also, and learning all these things like 8 core, 8 step life scenario. It's very important to learn all these things and join meetings, because we are learning through the Atomy videos of Mr. Pakhan Gill, and their directions of how we can do Atomy through the videos. So it's very important to join. And also I forgot one thing in last talking that time, that Daina is a very small, Darina is new member here, and she joined now, and she's not adult now, so she can't register and buy any product. But sir had a faith that and her attitude is very good. So sir had faith on her and joined her in the Atomy, because she can't register now, but she can learn about Atomy. And after 2 3 years she can register Atomy and buy the products. So just like her, have faith on Atomy, and all the members are good now. They are joining the classes, attending all meetings. It makes very great meeting all the persons every day. So just have attitude like her, that she is not registered but joining the classes and learning like her. So please join the classes every day morning and evening, and learn all the compensation plan and all these things, and tell other friends and join them here.
Ok, bueno, el sponsor nos estaba explicando que hay un dicho que dicen las presentaciones del Park and Gill, que es cuando no hay esperanza, la única esperanza es tener esperanza. Bueno, el maestro nos dice que apliquemos esto, que esta es una de las enseñanzas que hemos tenido al ver los videos. Puede que actualmente todas estemos empezando desde cero en lo que es Atomy. Obviamente tiene sus ventajas porque cualquier otra empresa tipo mercadeo en redes trabajan de otra forma, que les hacen comprar primero los productos y cosas así, pero ustedes pueden darse cuenta que en Atomy eh, no es obligatorio comprar los productos, apenas te unes, te dan un plazo de 12 meses para hacer tu primera compra y mantener tu código activo. Eso es algo que las otras empresas no hacen. También nos estaba diciendo que es bueno, como ustedes pudieron ver, esa frase es una enseñanza de los videos que hemos visto, que nos sigamos uniendo a las reuniones, miremos los videos con mucha atención y que nuevamente nos estaba pidiendo que traigamos a nuestros amigos, que hagamos que las personas conozcan sobre Atomy. También estaba comentando sobre Darina. Darina por el momento es menor de edad, como ustedes saben, para poder ser un miembro oficial de Atomy tienen que ser mayores de edad. Sin embargo, Darina está aquí aprendiendo para que cuando ella sea mayor de edad, ella ya esté listo tanto para enseñar a las otras personas sobre Atomy y también para poder comprar los productos. El maestro nuevamente nos pide que compremos los productos, siempre nos recuerda que antes de recomendar a una persona, nosotros debemos usar primero los productos. Y nuevamente nos estaba pidiendo que nos unamos a las reuniones, hagamos todo lo posible por estar en las reuniones, que miremos con mucha atención los videos y que muchas gracias por estar aquí, que todos juntos, como somos la familia de Atomy, juntos vamos a llegar al éxito.
Okay, last talking. Atomy and the motor, Park Han-gil, present first 10 years ago, first motor. 재심합력. English cannot interpret. Together. 심, the heart. together. Sorry. orange. orange. 심, heart. harmony. Yoke and the power. Actually, another company every day and fighting, almost enemy, but Atomy, many people together working, starting, together helper, together support, very important. First and now only one I am starting. But now many people encourage and prepare. I hope 2 and 3 months after, maybe 100 people together join, please. Myself together cannot, never. 이영미 스폰, 윤 팀장님, 심 스폰, all together. First, now this member, Shruti, Nicole, and Roshiris, Darina, Mamta, Alicia, Denshiri, Jubi, Bakav, and today new member Ellie, together join, together support, making together. Orange heart. Many important point. But I hope tomorrow and the weekend. Do you want rest? Do you want rest time? Do you want sleeping? No. Please, only 4 hours. I am every day 1 hour. Many my body very tired. 6 months during, many tired. Actually, my body now very bad. Very bad. But because I need time, sleeping time. Because Korea teaching time and small, and same to early finish and go to the bed. Very important. But you very younger. Now this time, now starting time, because your sleeping time and only 4 hours, you try. But another time you student, you please study. And another time you try Atomy business, please. Only 1 hour, only 24 hours. You're making only TV watching and your the friend meeting and sleeping time, and you make it. And if you making time, almost spended atomic business poor. Only speaking, no, you have it. You do, you can do it. You can try to every day. You member, new member, very typical. No, you do you know? You try Mamta. You another your friend now 2 member register. You
Yes.
easily typical easily.
Yes.
Very typical. Very typical. I know. Me too. Me too. Very typical. But every day try, every day talking about. Only atomic. My head only atomic thinking. Tenshiri, you have every day thinking only atomic? Huh?
네.
Really?
네.
Okay. Good. 저기, 슈르티, do you every day only atomic thinking?
네.
Really? Okay.
네.
Okay. Please, you change mind, change heart, change body. Atomic is cool head, warm heart, busy body. Very important. Please change, please. Please, atomic is a good chance. First, I think so. Atomic is a very small company. 10 years ago, me too. But now, maybe very big company change. My 박한기 president 15 years ago, and Korea.com starting. Same Mawin, do you know Mawin? Mawin, Alibaba, same two starting. But Alibaba and support 손정희 company and money support. 박한길 president cannot support. She is failed, but she is very beggar, very foolish. 30 years ago, many typical and life, and another system and the making thinking. Alibaba and Amazon, many money on, only boss money. And another partner never. But 박한길 president thinking the hub, all partner same to go to the rich, the way starting 10 years ago. Very important. Do you know? 박한길 and 보요디 president you every day hearly. Very important. Okay. 자, last surety.
So as you see, arrange heart with harmony and power. I don't know in Korean, but I write it down in English.
대심합력.
제심하며. The meaning, if you translate it, it will has a wrong meaning. So don't translate it. 제심하며. It means arranging heart with harmony and power. It means you have to arrange the hearts, the warm heart and the cold mind, who have faith on themselves and confidence on themselves, that they will become a great in future and the good successor. So the persons like them, you have to join in the Atomy. You have to introduce them about Atomy, like everything from starting to learning, like today's that how we are now doing Atomy from since 3-4 months. You have to explain them very well, because you are watching the videos and attending all the seminars and meetings, so you know very well, you are not a beginner now, you learned very things. So you have to introduce them about Atomy by yourself without any videos, because it's also a slogan that arrange heart with harmony and power. So please try to join all persons, if you can, because it's very hard to introduce persons if they are not ready to join. But if you do, if you have faith on yourself, so you can talk to them very clearly that Atomy has a plans like this, that they if you join, you will learn and you will succeed. If you don't believe, you will not, you will regret it later that you didn't join Atomy. So I am telling you before, that you will not regret after the ending of your life. So please try to force them, connect them with Atomy, so they will know very many information about Atomy. So please try to join them, and also you can make a group, and invite them, so the sponsors will talk to them personally if they don't believe in you, because some people are not very dangerous. So they you can directly talk to the sponsors, so they will believe in you. And also, you are very busy persons, all know, but if you make a schedule, like uh, if you make sleeping time, just cut the sleeping time for 4 to 5 hours a day, and the TV time, watching TV time, and all other things. You make a schedule of meeting friends every day, in person or in phone call like this. You can talk easily to them. You can speak normally that I am joining the Atomy. It's a good company. If you join, it will be easy for you to in future, because all the jobs are not working, they are gone. But Atomy is established from 10 years and now working here, not on other companies. And also the in Korea, the other companies are becoming enemies. It means they are fighting with each other, but Atomy is not like that. Atomy has many different power. They don't use to fight, they just help and serve humanity. They help the people who are very self confident with them, and they are very good at success. If they want to become a person in their future goals also, and they want to achieve their dreams, to then join them in Atomy, the persons like them. So you have to join all the members, and make the Atomy room bigger, because now the members are very low. But after 2-3 months or after 1 year, you have to make 100 persons in this room. So please make a promise to try your hard, because all the members are trying. I know all members are trying very much, but try more harder to make the peoples here, make increase your Atomy members. So please try to hard to join all the members here.
Bueno, ok. El maestro empezó diciéndonos Jesing Hamnyeong. No tiene una traducción literal ni para el inglés ni para el español, pero lo que nos explicó el maestro es que Un corazón anaranjado es un corazón que tiene poder y paz, ¿ya? Bueno, empezando con esto, el maestro nuevamente nos dice que puede haber personas que no crean en esto de Atomy, que digan que es solamente tal vez como las pirámides aquí en Latinoamérica, que es una estafa o cualquier cosa que intenten desanimarles, pero el maestro dice que no lo hagan, ¿ya? Es por eso que Atomy primero también educa el corazón y a la mente para que ustedes también puedan, más que todo, creer en lo que van a hacer. Es por eso que hacen el escenario de vida, el Lakeport, el Pacanguil. Ellos nos animan a que nos proyectemos en 8 años, en 10 años, todo lo que nosotros queremos lograr con Atomy. Bueno, de ahí nuevamente el maestro nos pide que sigamos uniéndonos a las reuniones, que continuemos haciendo de esto de Atomy. No quiero extenderme mucho porque, bueno, en realidad en resumen, eso es lo que nos estaban diciendo, ¿no? Que continuemos con Atomy, que no dejemos que las personas que no saben sobre esto nos desanimen, porque juntos podemos llegar a ser exitosos. Así que nuevamente nos dice que nos vemos el día lunes y que intentemos mirar los videos con mucha atención, invitemos a más amigos, a más conocidos y bueno, y le dejo ahí.